following the number label to connect the battery communication cable with the connector. The communication cables, usually they are network cables between the inverter and the meter, and between the inverter and the SYM box, have to be prepared by the user. Cut off the two terminals of the network cable to reveal 8 cables, whose colors are shown in the picture. For the SYM communication cable, you need to keep the green-white, brown, and brown-white cables and set aside 8 to 10 millimeters of the inner wire and cut off the other 4 cables. For the Growatt smart meter connection cable, you need to keep the blue-white and orange-white cables and set aside 8 to 10 millimeters of the inner wire and cut off the other 6 cables. Take out the red terminals from the inverter kit, put them on the wires, and use crimping pliers to press the terminals tightly to make sure the wires don't come off the terminals. Connect the communication cable from the Growatt smart meter and SYM box to the communication connector. Thread cables through pressure screw, seal ring, threaded sleeve in sequence. Remove the cover from the terminal. Finally, connect the communication connector to the COM port of MID XH inverter.